Hello everyone! So the Simon Says Stamp May 2018 card kit literally just got here. So, as always, let's get to unboxing said kit and see what all is inside it. Okay, so this is the Kind Heart card kit. I'm knocking things over already. Fun little mini sucker. We've got some pattern papers that are sealed. These papers are really pretty. Okay, so we've got two stamp sets in this kit. A big one. Look how big that is. That is awesome. A big one. Let me zoom out just a little bit here. There we go. Okay, so we've got this great big everything together stamp set. This is a 6x8 set with a great big, I love these big sentiments. I wish we lived closer. Pretty sure we would do everything together. You are simply the best ever. Miss you like crazy. Let's catch up soon. Hey, they're good looking. And then these really fun flowers. And there's this one that says, you win the award for being the most awesome person I know. That's really cute. We got some fun border stamps. We got some hearts. Like, such a good set. So there's that set. And then there's a little set. And this is the Take Heart stamp set. So it's a cute little like teacup with little flowers in it, a little hummingbird. I love your kind heart. You're full of heart. You have a beautiful heart. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. There's those. There is a wafer die that comes in the kit. My kit shipped out before they could send the wafer die. I will be getting it, but you get a heart wafer die. That's the die, like the word and the outline. So I don't have that to show, but you can see it in the pictures of the kit contents, and I will link to everything that is available separately. So yeah, you get that, and then there are these are Pinkfresh Let Your Heart Decide 6x6 pattern papers, and they are single-sided. So you get these gorgeous floral, and these really nice, it's like a triangle pattern, and they're like heavier weight. You know, they're not thin papers either, so they're really nice. It's really nice. And then this one has a bunch of like quotes. You make mistakes, mistakes don't make you. Fill your life with adventures, not things. Great things never come from comfort zones. Very, very inspirational. And then like a paint splatter / washi tape type pattern. Some really great patterns in this collection. Really like these. Oh, that was so nice. Ooh, I really like that one. Love it. Let's get all of that. Ooh, I like that one too. Let's get those. Ooh, that's fun. There's two of them. Those are fun. I like those. So you get all of those, and then there are these really fun Let Your Heart Decide Epoxy heart stickers. I love these. These are really nice. There's a bit of like a metallic foil in them too. So you get a whole pack of those. It's gorgeous. And then there's these really fun Puffy alpha stickers. So yeah. Nowhere to be in this moment, it's complicated, off the beaten path, keep the love alive, next big thing, heart wide open. There's a little like hummingbird and some flowers, some more fun hearts. Oh, and again, you get the whole pack of those, and then you get a couple of hybrid inks. There's Spring Rain and Melon hybrid inks, so colors go very well with this. And then you get a metallic ivory envelope. I love Simon's metallic envelopes. They're so, oh, they're just like luxe. So nice. Let's get those. And then there's also some Simon Says Stamp smoke cards. I like their smoke cardstock. It's just really nice. You get 3 of these in, yes. So pre-scored A2 cards. Those are just really nice. So you get 3 of those. You also get a sheet. This is Simon's masking paper. So you can stamp and cut it out, and it's fabulous for masking. So you get a full 8.5 by 11 sheet of that. And then you also get a sheet of Simon's AUDREY blue cardstock, ivory cardstock, and orange peel cardstock. So that is the May 2018 fabulous card kit. So like I said, there's also that wafer die, the heart wafer die that is in this kit. I will have links to everything. As always, I'll have a link to the kit. I'll have a link to the subscription page. I'll have a link to the frequently asked questions, and then I'll link to everything that is available individually as well. So that'll be in the description box below, as well as on my blog. On my blog, it is picture links. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will be back very soon with another video. Bye.